Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to unbox some Real Littles. So this is part 2, and do you want to watch part 1? It is in my link description box. And and now in this video we are going to unbox these two. What should I unbox first? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo, First this. Cut it first. It is the same. Real Littles, find many things. If you get green or blue, ultra rare, red, rare, yellow, common, journal edition, limited edition. Oh no, it fell. Rip up. Alright. First, I'm going to look at the checklist. But where is the checklist? Oh, here it is. I'm gonna look at it last. So first we need to unbox this bad boy sucker. Open up. Rip up. Okay, done. What is it? Common? Not common. We got ultra rare, rare, and another ultra rare. So let's unbox. First we're going to look at the checklist. First need to get aside the trash. Where is the checklist? There it is. Got it. There's not a checklist. Where is it? OMG. Where is the checklist now? Here it is. So first we're going to see the checklist. So get Unicorn, Chromie, BTS, Black Avengers, and we have to take one. Okay, first I'm going to unbox Common. So first we should look what is it inside. It's yellow. We got a unicorn pencil. Yeah. Now rare. Let's unbox this. It's so awesome. I love to unbox blind bags. Rip. What is that pinkish? Whoa. What the heck? I thought I just ripped the inside. Yep, now we got it. Wait a minute. I think I just ripped it. Poor guy. I ripped the unicorn. How bad am I? Wasted. So we got this scale and a pencil. And a little ultra rare. I think I know what's inside. And we got some stickers. I didn't know we were getting stickers. So what's the stickers? BTS, teddy bear, IDK, and a flower, and emojis. And I think there was more. Let me search it. Where is it? Where is it? Yeah, I found it. Here it is. What is this? Hello, hi, bye. Alright. Very cool. And we unboxed all of it. Holy. And then now for the ultra rare. Big size now. What? Wow! We got Unicorn Diary. I mean journal. We got a unicorn journal. We place it here. So let's unbox the second blind bag. So in this Real Littles, you will get a miniature legendary thing and see on the checklist. See on the checklist. So let's read it. Alright. Here it is. Chromie, Melody, BTS, Blackpink, Titans, Avengers, Simple, Cute. I think I know which one is rare. Chromie, Melody, Simple, and Cute are rare. So I want, of course, Melody. I'm pray for Melody. Now time. Rip. Rip, 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 rip. Wait a minute, what is this? It's a legendary thing. Simple miniature house for kids fun. Lol? What the heck? Let's open it. OMG! This is a whole miniature house. We got them 2 sofas, 1 carpet, a table, a dressing table, bathtub, and a toilet. And don't forget the bed and another carpet. Whoa, this is so awesome. And look at the floor. So cool. Alright. And thank you for watching my videos. Subscribe to watch all blind bag videos. So bye.